unidentified body was found floating in Irang River sections of Gaigalong village under Noni district this morning. Irang bridge located at Tambom village along Impal-Jirbam road collapsed on Sunday morning when a sand-landed truck was crossing it. The truck with 3 occupants including the driver plunged into the river in this massive. All the occupants were killed in the incident, but the body of the driver has remained untraceable since the incident. The Union Health Ministry expressed serious concern after 4 states across India, including Manipur, have registered a huge spike in COVID-19 cases. According to the media report, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Kumar Agrawal in New Delhi said that the spike in COVID-19 in Manipur, Delhi, Kerala and West Bengal in the last few days and is a matter of serious concern. He attributed the spike in COVID-19 cases to the ongoing festive seasons and coming winter. India crosses 11 crore mark in COVID-19 testing with 12,09,609 samples tested in a single day. The report said the country cases surged to 82,67,623 with 38,310 fresh cases of COVID-19 infections in the past 24 hours. India has reported 490 deaths during the past 24 hours. The total active cases now stands at 5,41,405 after a decrease of 20,503 in the past 24 hours. The report added that 76,03,121 individuals have been cured of the disease in India so far. Shortly after Mumbai and Raigad police arrested Republic TV Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami, several union ministers and BJP-led have condemned his arrest and have lashed out at the Uddhav Thackeray-led Maharashtra government. A media report said Union Home Minister Amit Shah took to Twitter and said Congress and its allies have shamed democracy once again. Planted misuses of state power against Republic TV and Arnab Goswami is an attack on individual freedom and the fourth pillar of the democracy. Meanwhile, the Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 1 and 2 will remain closed till November 30. According to a press release from District Administration's Tammu, Myanmar, the gate will be closed to help manage the spread of coronavirus disease in the area. Litan Police Station, in collaboration with Litan Serakhong Student Union, organized a Jan Andolan rally to disseminate information on COVID-19 appropriate behavior at Litan under Ukhrul district. Office in charge of Litan Police Station, Warchipem Nganglong, also took part in the rally. Apun Bapari Mom WhatsApp group Nambol today extended monetary aids to the family of Loitonjam Prem of Kaino Thongkha Mamang Laikai in Oinam. The aid was for the medical treatment of Prem's daughter, who is now not keeping well after she has been diagnosed with kidney failure. Americans have coronavirus concern and occasional long line to choose between President Donald Trump and Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden. The United States appeared to be on a track to cross over 160 million voters cast in the 2020 presidential elections, a turnout rate of about 67%, which is possibly higher than the country has witnessed in more than a century. The Indian government has blocked a total of 12 websites linked to pro-Khalistani outfit. A media report quoted a source as saying that a total of 12 websites have been ordered to be blocked by the Union Electronics and Information Technology Ministry under Section 69A of the IT Act.